The most complex, the most complicated, and the most confusing things for beginner artist is here. A thing you always wants to put behind your pocket or hiding behind your clothes. I know our guess is right. It's your hand. I mean not your, but it's your character's hand, where you are working on for 8 hours, 10 hours, or more than that. But you got stuck on there where hand is starting, ending, everywhere. Maybe you are thinking, you are not talented enough. That's why your result is very immature. Well, it's not about talent. It's about practice in proper way. If you ever look closely at the hands, you will find that the hands are probably the most common thing on the body. How can it be the most complicated with a very simple structure like that? The hand has 3 parts: carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Carpals and metacarpals are not much problematic, but phalanges always create problems because it has a special power, the power of moving in every angle with different shapes. But no worries, I'm here. I am going to explain each step to you in the simplest way. After completing this video, I hope your result will end up with a beautiful hand. First, choose a software. I am using Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, don't bother to buying it. You can use software like Ibis Paint. It's free but works amazing. After choosing software, choose your favorite brush. I am using hard round brush pressure opacity for sketching. Take a new blank layer above the background layer. Start to draw from the simple structure, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. Again, take a new layer and lower down opacity of second layer. Start painting again with the same brush. This time try to add a little volume to the sketch. Lower down opacity of third layer and add a new layer. Redraw the sketch again. I'm going to change the background color because of its brightness. It's time to change hard round pressure opacity brush to sampled brush. If you are using Ibis Paint, choose Fade Pen with lower opacity. Always use reference before start to paint. Add value using same brush with pressure opacity. Remember, references are important. Finding a good reference is also more important task. I usually use references from Pinterest, but these days Pinterest has added many AI artworks. Don't really confuse AI versus reality. Always use real pictures as a reference. Now you may ask me, why AI artwork is so good? What is the problem if I use it? The AI has never used accurate standard shading or color theory when creating artwork. AI just mixed many images and came up with different results. If you want to be an artist and not a robot, you need to use an original image or original painting of a famous artist as a reference. For coloring, I am using Carve Properties of Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, then you should quit painting. Yeah, I am just kidding. Just use overlay mode on Ibis Paint. You will get the same result. I didn't add any shadows to the grayscale. This is why now I need to add less saturated colors for shading. Now choose soft round pressure opacity brush for blending sharp area. Use the environment color from the reference. Maybe now you understand why painting needs references. Practice daily regularly. Drawing and painting is something that cannot be achieved in a day or one night. It is a biggest misconception that you can achieve it in 1 month. It takes time, man. Practice every day without any hesitation and you will get it. It's done. I hope this video helps you to draw better hands.
Quiz time. What are the 3 parts of the hand? Write your answer in the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.